everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I am gonna show you how to fry the pork belly. Something very easy and simple. You can eat as a snack or with your food. You know, it's kind of like deep fry. It's very good, okay? Look at my ingredient. What I have is pork belly. It's about 1 pound. And then I have the black pepper. And I use cornstarch. Okay, you can use anything you want to, but that's my favorite one. And I use fish salt and chicken flavor. That's all you need, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead show you how I slide the pork belly, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that in half like that. Okay. Slide about that piece right there. Okay. Okay, I already cut all my pork. It's perfect here. Gonna go ahead and put the black pepper in. Chicken flavor. Cornstarch. When I use any kind of cornstarch, I like to add a little bit of water. And you know, anything that I deal with the meat, like you make meatball or the beef or chicken, you put like a little bit of ice water. It's good. It helps them more like tender, okay? Make the plastic wrapper and put in the refrigerator for good 20 minutes and then I will deep fry, okay? Anytime you use, you know, put any meat in the refrigerator, make sure you wrap them real good, okay? Okay, like that. Okay, after 20 minutes in refrigerator, I'm gonna go ahead and start deep fry. Pork belly, deep fried pork belly is done. Yay! Let's go eat. Okay, guys, come on.